Most people think success comes from motivation. They wait until they feel inspired. They wait until the timing feels right. They wait until they are ready. And while they are waiting, nothing changes. The habit that makes you 10 times more successful is not motivation. It is daily, intentional improvement, even when you don't feel like it. Let me explain. You don't need to change your whole life today. You only need to change what you do after work hours. The time from the moment you get home until you sleep is the most powerful part of your day. That's where your future is either built or delayed. Most people use that time for comfort, scrolling, binge watching, online shopping, complaining about how tired they are. Then they say they have no time to grow. But look at your screen time. 3 hours of scrolling every night is not rest. It's slow self-sabotage with Wi-Fi. Here is the habit. Spend one focus hour every day improving your future. Not possibly watching videos, not pretending to work, one real hour. That hour is for learning a high value skill, studying something related to your career, planning goals, fixing weaknesses, and building something small. You don't need talent for this. You need honesty. Honesty is about how you use your time. The first reason this habit works is compounding. 1 hour today feels useless, but 1 hour every day is 365 hours a year. That's the equivalent of going back to school quietly. While others are scrolling, you are stacking hours. And hours stack into skills. Skills stack into opportunities. The second reason is identity. When you show up every day, your brain starts to change the way it sees you. You stop thinking, I want to be disciplined, and you start thinking, I am disciplined. And once that identity is built, everything else follows. The third reason is control. Motivation is emotional. Discipline is mechanical. You don't wait until you feel like brushing your teeth. You just do it. This habit works the same way. No drama, no waiting for inspiration. Just start the timer and begin. Here's the hard truth. Most people are not stuck because life is hard. They are stuck because comfort is easy. The bed is warmed, the phone is entertaining, the future is optional. But the future is built in uncomfortable moments when no one is watching. So tonight, don't try to change your life. Just change your evening. 1 hour, that's all. Because your habits today are designing your tomorrow, whether you like it or not.